Rubik's Cube notation. Before we start, here's a quick guide on notation. R. Rotate the right face clockwise. R. Rotate the right face counterclockwise. L. Rotate the left face clockwise. L. Rotate the left face counterclockwise. U. Rotate the top face clockwise. U. Rotate the top face counterclockwise. D. Rotate the bottom face clockwise. D. Rotate the bottom face counterclockwise. F. Rotate the front face clockwise. F. Rotate the front face counterclockwise. B. Rotate the back face clockwise. B. Rotate the back face counterclockwise. CFOP Method. Step 1. Make cross. 1. Goal. Solve a cross on one face, typically white, by aligning the edges with the correct centers. 2. Tip. Start with any edge piece. Rotate it into position, then continue with the next. You'll need to move pieces out of the way, rotate them, and bring them back. Step 2. First 2 layers, F2L. 1. Goal. Solve the first 2 layers simultaneously by inserting corner edge pairs. 2. Process. Find an unsolved corner piece on the top layer, e.g., white, red, green. Pair this corner piece with its matching edge piece, red, green. For example, insert the pair into the correct position on the first 2 layers. 3. Common F2L algorithms. There are many algorithms, but often the pairing can be done intuitively. If you're stuck, here are 2 basic moves. Right slot insertion, U-R-U-R. Left slot insertion, U-L-U-L. Step 3. Orientation of last layer, OLL. 1. Goal. Make the entire top face, usually yellow, the same color, regardless of the edges or corners position. 2. Process. After solving the first 2 layers, focus on orienting the pieces in the last layer so that the top face is all one color. 3. OLL algorithms. Use the following algorithms based on the pattern you see on the top layer. Dot case. No edges or corners aligned. F-R-U-R-U, F, F-R-U-R-U, F. L shape, a yellow L on the top face. F-U-R-U, R-F. Line case, a straight yellow line on the top face. F-R-U-R-U, F. Step 4. Permutation of last layer, PLL. 1. Goal. After completing the OLL step, you'll have all pieces on the top layer oriented correctly, but they might be in the wrong positions. PLL swaps the pieces on the top layer to solve the cube. 2. Process. Look at the top layer and use the correct algorithm to swap the pieces without disturbing the bottom layers. 3. PLL algorithms. Corners are in place, but edges are not. Edge cycle. U, R-U, R-U, R-F, R2U, R-U, R-U, R-F. Edge pieces are in place, but corners need to be swapped. Corner cycle. R-U, R-U, R-F, R2U, R-U, R-U, R-F. Summary of algorithms for OLL and PLL. OLL, orienting the last layer. Dot case. No yellow edges or corners aligned. F-R-U-R-U, F, F-R-U-R-U, F. L shape. F-U-R-U, R-F. Line case. F-R-U-R-U, F. PLL, permuting the last layer. Edge cycle, when edges are wrong. U, R-U-R-U, R-F, R2U, R-U, R-U, R-F. Corner cycle, when corners are wrong. R-U-R-U, R-F, R2U, R-U, R-U, R-F.